Hello and welcome to
apparently our type of backseat gaming.
Backseat Gaming.
I know it's kind of
Backseat Gaming.
I know it's kind of copying Smosh, but it's not copying Smosh. So just shut up. Shut up.
Play White Noise, A Tale of Horror.
And we're gonna
play something else. We're gonna play 2 games in this backseat gaming mode. We don't know what the second one's gonna be. Don't ask.
We're gonna do
We're gonna ask.
one.
Oh. I'm not gonna ask anyway.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is like kind of like Slender, but it's a lot worse. Special modes: night vision, hard mode, lithium bat. Shut up.
No, I'm gonna tell them what to do. Okay, so first we're gonna play scary, and then 2 we're gonna play a freaking awesome, funny game.
Yes. Alright, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna go, and then he's gonna go. So he's gonna tell me what to do, and I'm gonna tell him what to do. Alright, final technical orders. What do I do?
Okay, so pick up something.
Oh. Okay. What?
Pick up something.
Okay. I can't pick up anything else. Hey.
Fine, turn off your light.
No.
Look up into the sky.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay.
And just pretend there's a shooting star. Okay? Make a wish.
I wish I could have boobs.
Alright, now you have boobs. Now turn the flashlight on. And you're good.
Okay. Where do I go now?
Okay, go follow the road over there. No, actually go inside wherever that water's going.
It just ends right here.
Okay, follow the road.
Oh my.
Follow the golden brick road. Now it stops for a dirt road.
Follow the dirt road?
Yeah, follow the dirt road. Flash again. Another time.
That looks like a girl sticking her booty out and going like this. She's like,
ah, I see. And then her face is covered by her hair.
yes.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, frick!
What?
There's a hand! No! Okay.
What do I do?
Just go to the hand.
Well,
Go to the hand and make it molest you.
it's a giant hand for giant things.
Oh, yes. So, yes, just run
Giant
into the
peanut
thing.
butter jelly sandwiches. Look how small my flashlight is. Where? I like space.
Go to the fence.
Oh, I can climb.
Oh, holy crap.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, I changed my mind. Oh, the thing.
I can't climb it.
I thought you could climb it. Alright, go to the fence.
Fence. Where's the fence?
Turn around.
Where's the fence?
No, it's that way.
Okay.
See? It's right there.
Where?
Right?
I don't see anything but a hand.
By the hand.
Oh, look, it's like 2 hands, so it's like,
Yeah, it's right. Alright, so anyways.
Oh, yeah.
No, look, yes.
I see it.
Good. If you can climb the fence, climb it.
Oh, I can run. Sweet, alright.
Hey, run into the fence.
There's a hole. What's blocking me?
Alright, you're good.
Yeah.
Now run into the hole.
I bet I can climb this fence. That's like... I can't climb it. What do I do?
Follow the end of that fence.
What is exactly chasing us in this game? I don't see anything.
Maybe, tampon that got mad.
Oh! Dang it! It's gonna...
Oh my god! Just go that way, go that way.
Which way do I go?
To run! Just run!
I'm gonna save my flashlight. Alright. Go!
Alright, turn the flashlight on. Look back.
No.
Look back. It's backseat gaming. Now go towards the thing again.
What thing? The hand?
No, the thing that was following us. You have to do it in backseat gaming,
My
bro.
flashlight is flickering.
Alright, then turn it off.
Okay.
And whatever you see, just run into it.
See what?
If you see something, then run into it.
Oh.
Now go that way.
This way?
Yes.
Can I turn my light back on? What's going on?
Oh, there's something in front of you.
What's this?
Maybe it's the guy. Did that actually scare you?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Alright.
Hey guys, okay, so seriously, we had to stop the tape because I had to go change my pants.
It's true. That was the scariest thing ever.
I didn't think it was gonna scare me that bad, but it did. So,
Very
let's go back
scary.
in, I guess. Alright, it's my turn.
Your turn to play. I get to tell you what to do. No, we didn't even find one tape recorder now that I think about it.
We didn't. Yeah, I'm gonna run.
No, you aren't. Walk.
Oh no, I don't want. Oh wait, yes, you want to
Walk to the right. Go to that, whatever.
Oh, they're
Prostitutes.
Prostitutes. But they look like they're like.
There's a tape recorder.
Tape
Get it.
recorders where? You are right, my good child.
Get it.
How do I get it? Oh, A.
Yes.
Yay, tape recorder.
One done. One boobies.
How you doing?
My
girl?
wishes come true.
Oh yeah, but.
What's up, girl?
Yes.
Shine the flashlight on them things.
I'm trying to.
Those are monsters.
Woo! Yes.
Okay.
But there's 6 of them.
Now keep going.
I'm going
Actually, there's 5.
into the
One
water.
of them is missing.
Oh,
Alright, follow.
follow the trail. Oh my gosh.
Follow it. Follow it.
Oh my gosh, this is scary.
Turn off your flashlight.
Okay, how do I do that?
X.
X? Okay. No, where is it? Oh my goodness.
Go to the right. Go to the right. Go to the right.
This way?
Yes. With your flashlight on.
I don't want to. Alright, I have to. Woo. I'm out of
Alright,
breath.
go to that big rock. That looks like a penis.
Oh, I see. Ah, he's right there.
He's
Wow.
off the rock. He's like off the rock.
What is that? Is that like a... What is that? Is that
Is it
even
boobs?
animal? I wish. There's that girl again.
Hey, sup, girl?
You slut. Look, she's hanging out with that guy.
Stand up straight.
She's hanging out with that
Now what we
guy.
have is special. Go.
Alright, let's go to the river.
Run to the river and then follow the road. Walking with your flashlight off.
Okay.
This game's not so scary.
Yeah, I mean,
Just-
it's just
Just keep swimming, you know?
just keep swimming, gotta keep swimming.
Now turn around.
Okay,
Turn the flashlight on.
okay. Just gotta keep swimming, man. I mean,
That's
you
it.
non-stop.
You can't.
If you stop swimming, then you just die.
You're gonna die by the pink, friggin' ripped monster smasher. I don't know.
So just sing it with me, man.
Just keep swimming. Go to the river. We have to keep swimming. We gotta go to the river, you know?
Oh, sure.
Like, that gets me every time.
Dude, I seriously need to change my pants again, but just
You
whatever.
got a one tape recorder.
Woo! Yeah, I'll pop.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
That
I
was
guess
low.
Oh. Alright. Alright, guess it's your
Alright,
turn
that's
now.
it for white noise. Now we're gonna choose a game. We're gonna come back on
Wait,
now.
no. We're gonna still do this. We have 2 more tries.
No.
No, 2 more.
Yeah, we have another game that we're gonna play.
No, I want to do another one.
No.
I want to do another game. Do another game.
We'll be choosing another game now.